In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Crafting engaging content for your audience can be a game changer, and what better way to gather insights than through a poll? Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your MailerLite account ready. Open MailerLite and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you're going to want to navigate to the Lite Sites section. This is where all the magic will happen, as we'll either create a new landing page or modify an existing one. For today, let's go ahead and create a new landing page. To do that, simply look for the button that allows you to create a new landing page. Got it? Great! Now you'll be taken to the landing page editor. Here you have a blank canvas to work with, and we'll start adding our poll features shortly. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu that says Sections. Click on that, and now it's time to scroll down until you find the Interactive category. This is where you will find the poll element. Once you see it, all you need to do is drag that poll element onto your newly created page. Super simple, right? Now that the poll element is on your landing page, click on it to edit the different settings. One of the first things you might want to do is edit the intro text. This is your opportunity to explain to your audience what the poll is about and why they should participate. Craft something inviting and engaging to draw them in. Next, let's add your first question. Click on the designated area to type in the question you want your audience to answer. Once the question is set, it's time to add the answer choices. This is crucial since you want to offer clear options for your respondents. Just click where it says Add Answer to include your initial choices. If you feel like you need more options, just hit the Add an Answer button. It's as easy as that. Now, along the way, if you decide that you want to ask additional questions, simply click Add a Question, and it will give you another space to work with. In case you want to give your audience the option to skip a question, you can easily do that. Just turn on the Mark as Skippable toggle. This way, if they're not comfortable answering a particular question, they can move on without feeling pressured. Once you've set up all your questions and answers, it's time to finalize your poll. Don't forget to customize the outro message. This is a nice touch that can thank participants for their time or encourage them to look for the results later on. Now, if your poll needs specific rules, for example, if certain answers should direct respondents to a different question, just open the Rules section. Click Add a Rule, and you can set up conditional logic to enhance the interactivity of your poll. Once you're satisfied with everything you've put together, click on Done Editing. Now you're ready to publish your landing page. Look for the Publish button. When you hit it, your hard work will go live for everyone to see. After your poll has been published, the real fun begins. To gather and analyze responses, go back to the landing page's overview. There, you'll find a section called the Poll Report tab. Click on that, and you'll be able to view all the responses that you've gathered. You can even export the results if needed, making it easy to share or analyze further. And that's it. You've just created an engaging poll using MailerLite. Remember, polls are not only a great way to interact with your audience, but also a fantastic tool for gathering valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.